Hey everybody, I'm here today. I'm Kathy Burns and I'm here with
Hi, I'm Gisela Sanchez with San Diego and with eXp Realty.
Burns, and I'm here with Stacy and Jim Lambright from Ohio. Excited, I'm here with Kelly Zimmerman and yes, and today with Pete. Say your last name.
Pete Deininger.
Deininger.
Breck Life Group in Breckenridge, Colorado.
Yes, and we are in the beer line right now.
We are in the beer line at eXpCon 2019.
It's all here with Jason.
Eller Bush.
Where are you from, Jason?
I'm outside of Fort Worth in Aledo, Texas.
And I'm here with Deborah Simmons, here with Minnesota Joe at the Mexico 2020 Freedom Summit. Hi, Joe. Morning. I'm here with Andrea Parker. This is Kathy Burns, and we are boarding the bus because we just had an amazing week at the Freedom Summit in Mexico, part of a... Tell me a little bit, what was the company you were with before?
I was with a brokerage where we got 100% commission.
Really?
Yes.
And you chose to come to eXp. What made you even look at it where you were allowed yourself to be open to it?
I wanted an exit strategy in my business. I no longer wanted to just do one deal and one deal. But
Yes.
I wanted something where I'm able to grow and leave eventually.
Yes.
Before we were with Keller Williams for several years, then we were with Remax, and we went to a small boutique brokerage where we could get 100% of our commission.
Yeah. So 100%, and you still looked at eXp. How did somebody get you to look at eXp?
You know, off of LinkedIn, somebody asked me if I'd be willing to look at another real estate platform, and we always looked at everything. Successful people always do. I think they look at everything. And when we saw eXp's model, realized we were leaving money on the table because of having ownership in the company. And then when we saw that, that was a big...
It's a very small brokerage, American Home Realty.
Okay, so a little small boutique.
So yes.
Yes. And when you first got introduced to it, were you open to it at eXp or?
So it took me about a year from my first lunch and learn till I actually decided to do this. And one of my biggest walls was that I felt loyal to my previous brokerage because there's a lot of really great people over there.
Of course.
Before I was with a red company, it has some initials. I think they were similar to KNW.
Okay, great. And how did somebody get you to look at this?
My sister-in-law is on a team, and it was one of the team leads that was passing through Breckenridge, and she came into my office, and we probably talked for about 3.5 hours.
Wow.
And I think that they wanted to leave, and I just kept saying, no, tell me more.
Oh my gosh.
Tell me more.
And I understand you have had a boutique firm before, is that right?
I did. I had my own little brokerage outside of Fort Worth. And the thing is, it was a little deal. Loved it, enjoyed it. And like everybody else, I wanted to pursue the American dream.
Sure.
I'm coming from 20 years at Remax.
Wow.
And my story is, I started to get, see that other things were happening in other companies, and I felt like we were falling behind a little bit. And then I did a deal with someone from eXp who just left Remax, and I actually did an exit interview with her.
Interesting.
And asked her all the reasons why she left.
Yes.
Well, I've been in real estate for a long time. I got in when I was 4 years old. I've been in I'm going my 47th year.
Wow.
And so I started with a little company in Minneapolis, St. Paul called Burnett Gagner Realtors. It became Burnett Realty. It became Merrill Lynch. That became Burnett again, and is now Coldwell Banker in that area.
Wow.
And I was there for almost 25 years.
Keller Williams. Keller Williams, yes. And how did somebody get you to break down that wall to even talk about eXp?
You know, they just kind of built a relationship with me and just kind of slowly, in a really good way, kept sharing. I kind of already had an idea. And it just was the right time and it was the right fit. I was very open for